let's have a look for sound. This is us in, where are we?
We're on a train,
On the train.
on the way to
Nha Trang.
the Trang.
Jamie looking like a gnome.
Jamie's already been giving loving to the older women of Bangkok. Against their will, which I find most disturbing. Goes on tour, apart from this, and Steve's still getting McNabb. A little bit less than McNabb. And last night got outdone by a 60-year-old traveller. Who had a very, very snazzy bald ponytail.
Now Chris wants to look.
And it is how I want to look with my shiny head. But apart from that, everything's wonderful.
Maybe I'll cook. We had to go to the earlier.
Oh, we're not sure you can play with that. Oh.